Greetings to all. We, Team Nest, present to you our project done for on-site construction worker housing. The pace for infrastructural development in India has increased considerably. With it comes high demand for migrant construction workers from different parts of the country. Due to temporary nature of any worker housing, it is necessary to draw attention to the challenges they face and cater to their unnoticed problems. The Metro Rail project has been undertaken by the Government of India and is being implemented in different cities. Proposing a net zero worker housing for one such iconic project would embark a journey to sensitize towards them. The site is located near Swagate Junction. A total plot area of 3,513.36 square meter is allotted for accommodation of 150 workers. The design team banked on the idea of congregation spaces that would embrace the concept of community living. Based on these ideations, the site was zoned into semi-public, public and private areas, and different spaces were demarcated accordingly. In order to achieve maximum comfort through implementation of passive design strategies, a volumetric analysis was done. Some of the strategies adopted were sufficient light and ventilation, reduction of glare through shading devices, and indoor thermal comfort through ventilation and appropriate use of materials. Considering various factors such as sun path, wind directions, thermal comfort, visibility and privacy, the units have been aligned in southwest-northeast orientation. The daily demand of energy required is 24.04 kWh, whereas the energy generated by solar PV panels is 30.41 kWh per day. When calculated, the total amount of energy consumption is 8,777.6 kWh per year, and a total of 2,172.4 kWh per year of extra generated energy is supplied to the construction worker site. The solar PV panels pay back the cost investment within 2.5 years of usage. The amount of organic waste generated on site is 22.5 cubic meter, and the demand of energy required for kitchen activities is 19.75 cubic meter. A biogas plant with a collector of 35 cubic meter and a biodigester of 25 cubic meter capacity is installed on the site. The biogas plant pays back the installment charges within 1.5 years of usage. Strategies for resilience such as fire-resistant doors, modular construction, elevated plinth to resist flash floods, and grid-based design catering the risk of earthquakes are proposed. Affordability is achieved by implementing modular construction technology. To reduce wastage on site, the 3R approach, reduce, reuse and recycle, has been adopted. A total cost saving of Rs 4.70 lakhs has been achieved in the design if compared to the base case scenario. The design units of size 3 by 3 meter use sandwich panels of eucalyptus wood and air cavity to attain U value of 0.36 kWh per meter square, which helps in achieving optimal thermal comfort. Steel cross stanchion acts as a common vertical support for the system. The use of biodigester toilets save water and reuses the sullege to form renewable energy. An average luminance value of 300 lux is achieved in more than 80% of the indoor spaces, thus reducing glare. Annually, more than 90% of the spaces receive natural light. The roof surfaces receiving solar radiation are treated by insulated sandwich panel to cut down the internal heat gain. The project focuses on modular construction, ease of modification in spaces, improved standard of living, and adaptive reuse of materials to make it scalable for the market. Thus, through incorporating our goals, we have achieved a net zero construction worker housing for Pune Maha Metro. Thank you.